Now what we're going to do for the rule of thirds is a little different. If I Command or Control plus to zoom in. Let's see. Command or Control plus to zoom out. Command Control 0 to fit the screen. So rule of thirds. One way to check how I've used the rule of thirds is I can go down to the crop tool and make sure I am on original ratio so nothing changes. And then that by default is going to have 1/3 lines. So the cylinder head of this motorcycle engine falls right here on this crosshairs of these third lines. And here is, I think that's the transmission on the lower part. Okay, so I'm roughly using the rule of thirds. Now go up to the move tool, that's just to get rid of the crop tool. Here's the exercise. In your layers panel, don't create a layer copy, but what you want to do is create a blank layer. Why can't we? Let's see. Will it give me? Okay, so I guess I got to make a new copy. But really what I want is just to press this alone to make a new blank layer. And if I double click on this, I can rename this. Rename this layer so I remember what it is. Okay. Now this layer is it's like a transparency above our picture. And I'm going to draw on it, right? So I'm going to go over to the left, pick a brush tool. Pencil tool might be there. You need to change it to the brush. I'm going to right click on the brush tool. Hardness should be 100%. And I'm going to choose a color, right? I'll choose this bright red. And then I can draw with the brush tool. And what I'm doing is I'm going to roughly draw and divide my picture into thirds. Okay, that's all you're doing. You're just drawing this grid. If you want to draw more, you can make another layer and maybe pick a different color. And this time, right click, bring the hardness down to 0. And I'm just going to circle the main elements. And if I get rid of the picture completely, then I see the rough composition of this image. And then just like we did with all the other ones, since we have layers that we cannot post to Web Campus, I need to export. Find the longest edge here, whether it's height or width. In this case, it's height. 20, 48. Where did it go? Let's see, File, Export. Oh, that's what I did. I hit Done. Hit Done instead of Save. I hit Save. There we go, Forms. I'm going to call this one Web as well, just so I can find it. And that's it. Post this to Web Campus.